Faith beyond feelings. See, have you ever noticed how much we depend on feelings? If we feel happy, we think life is good. If we think motivated, we work harder. If we feel spiritual, we think God is close. However, when what happens when the feelings disappear? See, what happens when prayers feel empty, worship feels dry, and God seems silent? See, many people assume if I don't feel God, maybe He's not there. You see, friends, faith is not built on feelings. Faith is built on trusting God's promises even when emotions change. See, feelings are unstable. One day you feel strong, the other day you feel discouraged. But God does not change based on human emotions. See, the Bible shows this in the book of Mark, chapter 9:24. A desperate father cried out to Jesus, Lord, I believe, help thou mine unbelief. You see, I want you to notice something powerful. He had faith, but he was also struggling emotionally. And Jesus still responded to him. That means God does not reject people because they struggle. See, real faith is choosing to trust God even while battling fear, doubt, weakness, or discouragement. Friends, the Christian life is not about chasing emotional highs. It is about daily surrender and trusting God's word. Sometimes the strongest faith is not shouting loudly in victory. Sometimes it is quietly praying, Lord, I still trust you. Even when life hurts, even when heaven seems silent, even when emotion says otherwise. Ellen G. White wrote that feelings are not faith. Why? Because feelings change life like the weather, but God's promises remains forever. So if you feel distant from God today, do not give up. Pray anyway. Read the Bible anyway. Worship anyway. Trust anyway, because faith grows strongest when it learns to walk beyond feelings. And often it is in the moment we feel weakest that God is actually closest to us. God bless.